Hey guys, welcome back again and today I'm going to give a full tutorial video on how to create a logo for your YouTube channel. Logo? Yeah, that's logo that I'm talking about, because it is true logo that people are going to visit your channel by looking, and also if it is cool, right? But hey, don't forget to give a like to this video, and also if you want me to create your YouTube channel logo for free, then please leave a comment by just typing the name of your channel and your full name. So let's get into the tutorial part. Yes, to make a logo you need a special kind of apps called Canva. You might have heard this before. So in here, after opening this app, what you have to do is I will click on the logo section. Here it comes the categories in which you want to make your logo. Say example, if I have a channel of, say example, let me see, for example, I have a music channel which is related to music, or I have a band, something like this, then I'll need to click on band logo. But if you have a tech channel just like me, then you can use computer logo, educational logo, and anyone that you prefer. So I'm going to click here on the band logo. Now there are lots of logo bands will appear here. You can see here. There are free versions of logos and as well as version. You can grab it, any one of those, if you want to go for the paid version. But here I'm going to use a free version, which is cool. Say example, I'll take this one because it gives an eye-catching. Now in here you will need to double tap it here on the logo. Here you can change the text. Say example, let's write my name. Say example, this is my name, and here now in here, in the below section, let's write, say example, music, or anything you want. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it forward. Oh, here it's a cool thing. Once again, you can change the font style from here. There are lots of font style. Okay, now it's almost done. Now I'm going to save it. Now I'm saving the logos. And after successful savings of your logo, then I'm going to jump to another application that is called Snapseed. You might have heard this too. I'm gonna tap on this plus button. Here it will redirect to your gallery, and from here recently logo that you have saved, you need to choose that one. After choosing, it will appear like this, and here on the below section you'll see tools. Click on the tool. Now here there are lots of editing stuffs and on. So I'm going to choose first, let's check tune image. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide somewhere towards the right side and click the check mark. Now again go to tools. Here let's see vintage. Okay, let it make a little bit darker. Okay, this one is perfect, this one's perfect, and click the check mark again. Again, go to tools. Now I'm gonna use, for example, there are lots of editing stuffs here. You can choose any one to do. Let's take double exposure in here. Okay, if I use the brush, then it will do like this. Here I can use the dodge and burn. I need to click on that eye look-alike something, what it is called I don't know, but here like this, and I'll do something just like this to design it, to give a little varnish effect on the outer parts of your logo. Now click on the check mark. It will appear somewhat like this. And so it's just like this. And lastly but not least, I'm going to put the curves, and that's really cool. On the third part you see here, click the curves, and here you need to change the position of the curves. It will give you a different angle effects, and that's cool. So okay, this looks little bit cool. Yeah, this looks cool. So now I'm going to click on the check mark again. So here my logo is ready to be published. So after that you need to export it to your SD card. So that you go to export and click on the save button, and it will automatically save your photo into your gallery. And that's done. Now you can change your logo on your YouTube, and it will be a great idea to do so. If you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and also click on that circle yellow button, and you're on your way.